Many people believe that the hair transplant results don't last for long. Some say that the hair falls out after a few years. But today, I want to show you a real case that proves otherwise. The results that are strong, natural and healthy at even 7 years after the transplant. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Deepam Shah, founder, medical director of Viva Aesthetic Clinic. In this video, we'll walk through a complete transformation journey from severe hair loss to natural, long-lasting results using the FUE hair transplant technique or the Viva's micro FUE technique. When this patient first visited us, he had significant hair loss in the front, the crown areas. Like many others, he was worried. Will the transplant results look natural? Will the result last? Will my donor area be damaged? For his treatment, we performed the micro FUE hair transplant. In this technique, the individual hair follicles were extracted from the donor area and implanted in the thinning or the bald regions. The advantage of the micro FUE is no large scars, faster healing, natural looking results, preservation of the donor area, removing more number of hairs from a small donor area. Right after the procedure, the hairline was carefully designed to match his face and age. Our goal is never to create an artificial or overlay dense hairline, but a natural, age-appropriate results. At around 3-4 months, the initial growth phase begins. This is the stage which patients start noticing few hairs, but the density is still developing. By the end of 10 to 12 months, most of the transplanted hair reaches its full growth cycle. This is when the transformation becomes clearly visible. The hairline looks natural, the density improves significantly. Even after 2-3 years, the results remain stable. The transplanted hair becomes or behaves just like a natural hair. You can cut it, style it, trim it, shave it, color it, dye it, and live your life without worry. And now, the most important part. This is the same patient 7 years after the transplant. You can clearly see a natural looking hairline, very good density, a very healthy donor area, no artificial appearance. This proves one important fact. Hair transplant results are long lasting when done correctly. Many people say hair transplant doesn't last long, but the truth is, when the right technique is used, when the donor area is properly managed, when the hair transplant is done by an experienced surgeon and the doctor himself performs the entire surgery, the results can long last even for decades. At Viva Aesthetic Clinic, our focus is not just on immediate results, but on a long-term natural outcomes. Every hairline is customized, every graft is placed with precision, and the donor area is carefully preserved for the future. We also handhold each and every patient after the transplant by getting in touch with them WhatsApp, giving them continuous messages, following up with them. Because transplant and what goes and what associates with it is very important. If you're considering hair transplant and are worried about the long-term results, this case is a real-life example that the transplanted hair results can even last for 7 to 8 years. Consult a qualified hair transplant surgeon. Understand your options and make an informed decision.